Thousands of years before productivity apps, before dopamine hacks, before motivation videos, there were people who could sit in silence for hours with total clarity, not because they had superhuman discipline, but because they understood the mind. Today, we're going to uncover how monks trained focus and why modern neuroscience now confirms they were right all along. Stillness is not empty. Modern culture teaches us stillness is laziness, silence is unproductive, boredom is bad. Ancient traditions believed the opposite. They understood something critical. The mind doesn't sharpen through stimulation. It sharpens through absence of noise. Neuroscience calls this baseline recalibration. When stimulation drops, the brain resets its sensitivity. This is why silence feels uncomfortable at first. You're not failing. You're detoxing. Why monks train patience. First, patience is not moral virtue. It's a neural skill. The brain's impulse system wants relief now. The prefrontal cortex plans for later. Patience strengthens that circuit. Every time you delay a reaction, sit with discomfort, finish something slowly, you're strengthening top-down control, not by force, but by repetition. Breathe as a neural lever. Monks didn't focus on breath because it was spiritual. They focused on breath because it's the fastest way to regulate the nervous system. Slow breathing activates the parasympathetic response. Heart rate drops. Cortisol lowers. The brain exits threat mode. Only in this state can deep focus emerge. Calm is not optional. It's foundational. Single-tasking rewires attention. Multitasking is not efficiency. It's cognitive fragmentation. Ancient training emphasized one object, one action, one moment. Modern neuroscience agrees. Attention is a finite resource. When split, it weakens. Single-tasking rebuilds attentional strength the way lifting weights builds muscle. At first, it feels boring, then uncomfortable, then powerful. Why monks embraced repetition. Repetition wasn't punishment. It was identity training. Repeating the same action in the same way at the same time taught the brain, this is who I am. Repetition removes decision fatigue. Fewer choices, more clarity. Eventually, action becomes automatic. Effort disappears. That's mastery. Detachment is focus, not apathy. Detachment doesn't mean not caring. It means not clinging. When outcomes matter too much, focus collapses. Anxiety rises. Attention narrows. Monks trained detachment to preserve mental stability. Work without obsession. Effort without self-judgment. This is not weakness. This is psychological freedom. The modern integration. You don't need to live in a monastery, but you do need less stimulation, fewer inputs, more intentional silence. The mind that is constantly fed cannot grow strong. The mind that learns to rest becomes unstoppable. The final realization. Focus is not something you chase. It's something that returns when the noise fades. Stillness is not emptiness. It's power, waiting to be reclaimed. If this series helped you see your mind differently, like this video so others can find it too. Subscribe if you want more deep psychology, neuroscience, and ancient meets modern mental mastery. And comment below, what's one distraction you're ready to release? Write it. Naming it is the first step to letting it go.